Today we're gonna be cooking corn. Microwave, what does that mean? Popcorn. So, let's go. See, you read the instructions. Last time I read it said 230. And then I press popcorn, it's gonna give me three and a half. Dude, that's gonna burn your popcorn. Don't do that. So like, see this? Put it in there. It's cooking. So just gotta wait. Gotta wait. You know what's a good time? What's a good time? I don't know what's a good time right now. Fun fact, popcorn is not made of actual corn. And neither is this canned corn. You know, you see this? It was made out of metal on the outside. You noticed that, right? You didn't notice that? It's like, it's weird. They grow these things out of the ground. Sometimes they fall out of trees. That's weird. They got different ones like red corn. I was like, damn, how they gonna make red corn? You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, you see by this time the corn is popping now. The metal has expanded, you know, because it melted the metal a bit and it formed a bag on the outside. That's why it's popping like this. It's pretty cool. And then that, you know, had that picture around, it extended because it was made out of plastic. And now it makes a better picture. You'll see after when it's done. God dance like me. Oh. Ooh. Now you learn how to dance. It's almost done. Oh, it's done. Ooh. As you can see, I told you. The metal can has melted and formed a bag. And let's see what the corn is popping inside. Popcorn. Just like I said. Didn't I tell you? Did I not tell you? Homeschooled. No, not really. Let's go to Juan's World. Subscribe.